Yeah, Nazar, you are also online. You can see right now I'm on the Gmail. Can you see screen, Nazar? You can see my screen or not? Okay. Now, Nazar, you just send me mail that you are getting uncaught type error dollar element dot tab and blah blah. But you didn't send me the topic where you are getting that particular error. Our facility, yeah. Actually, not in this. Our facility. Yeah. One second. Stuck. Photo gallery. Yeah. Now I get this. Element dot tab means your tab is not working. For this tab, which module you have installed for this tab? Sorry. Yeah, yeah, you forgot the name. Okay, maybe that is the issue of jQuery version issue cause of yeah, jQuery updater is not there also. Okay, tab. Actually, I just searched the I just tried to find out that error, but I couldn't get this error. That's why okay, Nazar, I will just check this error and give you the solution tomorrow. Is that okay? Because it will take some time. If I just search and try to resolve this error, it will take time. So, in my point of view, you're not getting this error. Second. On same tab, on same process, you are getting any other error. This one, this one, uncaught type error element tab is not a function. Bootstrap, actually, this is the because of the Bootstrap library module bootstrap field group bootstrap field group.js. Okay, a shortcut is there. One shortcut. Let me try. This is your site. Actually, it is not getting that particular library file because of type error. One second. View and name is bootstrap underscore file field group. This module calls error field group.js. Use a function type error. One second. Maybe this will work. I'm not sure. Actually, because it is not getting the latest library, or getting old library, so there is no definition of whatever the function, whatever the predefined inbuilt function we are using. It's not getting that definition of these functions. Okay, I just saved. Yeah, we are able to change the code from the cpanel also. Go to that particular file. Uh, yeah, go to particular file, right click. No issue, no issue. No, that is also a correct way. You have backup. You should have backup also. Yeah, you can change from here, but before changing the code, please take a backup for every file, because you cannot do undo. It means you cannot do Control Z after just saving this. Means after saving or closing this, you are not able to undo that particular file. So you should have one backup file also. It is good you have downloaded, but you can directly change from the cpanel also. Okay. Okay, now just go to configuration. um, Performance configuration. Let me clear the cache. Whenever we change in module code, we have to clear the cache. Site performance. Yeah, the development region, performance, and clear the cache. Let's try. Okay, now no error. Actually, the same thing, that function, that inbuilt function not getting the definition, because because of the version problem, version of jQuery and the bootstrap file. Okay, but what I have done, what I have done, I just copy and paste this whole file into our that particular JS file. That is not a correct way, that you can say the shortcut way, but we have to find out the exact error, why it is getting error. We have to find out which file we should update. Okay, I will just tell you the whole thing in tomorrow's session. Right now this is kind of shortcut way. Now you are not getting error, your tab is also working. Okay, Nazar. Okay, now Khushi, did you send me, but in your task, whatever you send me in zip file, image editor is not working. Is that complete, or you, yeah, busy web module. Yeah, yeah, because that busy web module is causing error on the local machine, so you can use directly CK editor and C tools. Yeah, you just send me a mail that you are not able to download the C tools. You can find the C tools. I just sent you a link also. Okay, for C tools, or the full form of C tool is chaos tools. You can see the chaos tools also. Okay, Kushi, just try to complete the task. And in the live server, what you have done till now? Kushi, in the article. Okay, means three or four videos you have implemented till now. 16 videos. Okay, good. Okay, I will just check the task also. Okay, and Nazar, how many video you have implemented? 24 videos. Okay, good. Uh, okay, 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 good. Okay, good. And you are getting the process, you are getting the logic behind the modules or not? Okay, good. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, today in that videos there is any topic of taxonomy. Did you hear about taxonomy? No. Okay. Let Today we are going to discuss about the taxonomy. What is exactly taxonomy and how we use taxonomy. Okay. We already discussed about the contextual filters. Means I have just take an example that if my requirement is I want to display a designer name for every project. Did you remember, Khushi Nazar? Yeah, we have just displayed this designer name by using a field. We added a field into our project type and a designer field. So whenever we add the content of project and content type project, so we should enter a designer name also, and with the help of that field we just create a view, a block type view. Okay, view can be created two type of view, page view and block view. So we have created a block view. Okay, in that block view we just displayed designer name, and we just put that particular block, we configure that particular block into the region of the content, main content region. Let me open 1 second. This is our site and structure. Within views, you will find all the views, whatever you have created till now. This is why this is just one second. Okay. In the views, slider, expose filter, demo view, project info, maybe this one. We have created one view. Did you remember, Khushi? For just displaying designer name, yeah, project info for designer detail. We have created this view, a block type view. Khushi, are you there? Okay, and let me delete this. Okay, so after just developing, after just creating this particular view, we just display how we display views into our main website. Nazar, how we display? If we yeah, we have created a blog view. Okay, yeah, go to blogs, and within the blogs we have to just set a reason. Which reason we want to display that particular blog? So we have displayed in the main content area region, or you can say the area. Views, sliders, testing. No, main content, no, not in main content. We have displayed in the maybe in the secondary or primary sidebar. So we have displayed in the secondary sidebar. That's why it, yeah, yeah, we can move it. We can move it into anywhere in the navigation bar, in the top bar. Highlighted means just before content area, help section, content section. Content is the main section where we display data of our primary means left hand sidebar, secondary means right hand sidebar, and the footer. We can move anywhere that particular block. Okay. After displaying in the secondary, we configure. What should be configuration for that? We just configure it to as means it will just display on the product type contents. It will just display only on the product type contents, because this, why we create this view, just for that designer information. So it should display only on product content or not, Nazar? So how we configure content type as product? I just say project. Okay, only project content type, and we should here. So let me check, it is displaying right now or not. So this is, you can say, the contextual filter with block view. Okay, now let me go to any project. Another, did you get the video link or not? I just share you. I just share with you the, yeah. Okay. Yeah, design and information. We are getting this. This is a block, a view, a block type view. Okay. We can directly edit this from here. Okay. Or configure block. Did you understand the configuration? How we create? How we just show? And we just want to show only designer name. If you want to just show any other things, then you can put into any blog, any blog view, any page view. Okay, today, so this is contextual filter. Today we are going to discuss about the taxonomy. So this is our view. This is getting, I don't know why I just created a view. Because of that we are just getting these options. I have to just remove these. I'm just going to delete that particular view. This is the view list. Exposed filter. Just delete that. So taxonomy is kind of a topic which means if we want to just tag our particular post, our particular content type, means if this is article, this is a blog article, or this is any we can say any other article, or you can take an example of our projects. This is development project, this is designing project, or within the development we can just put our any technology name, Magento, Drupal, CI, or core PHP kind of tags. Taxonomy just refer kind of tags we can search our project, or end user can search the project with the help of taxonomy. Okay, for creating taxonomy, go to structure, remove this, and here is the option taxonomy. Kushi, okay, just click on taxonomy. Tag is by default there because article have tags. Okay, project type, I have just created that particular project type. Let me, terms, you can say the tags you can add from here. The tags, we can select these tags at the time of insertion of that particular content type. Let me show you the list first. You can go from to the list from here also. I have created some tags in design one. Let me, it should be edit. Let me try to delete this. We will just create a new one. I'm not able to delete. Go to taxonomy again. Okay, edit vocabulary. You can delete from here. Yeah, I have deleted that particular taxonomy. Now, how we add the taxonomy? Add, just go to add vocabulary, and we are going to add a project type. Just put the description. Okay, what we have done, we have created a vocabulary, but it is blank. There is no any, there is no terms into this vocabulary. You can see from here, the click on the list terms, no terms. Okay, now you can add terms from here. Just click on add terms. Terms, you can say the tags, different tag we can select from whenever we are just we inserting whenever we are just inserting the project type content. We can select from these, we can select the project type from within from these content, the list of these content, okay, whatever we will create from here. So development, just click on save. We are not going to enter description, so it just redirect you to the same page. Yeah, that particular development term is created, okay. So it will redirect again to add term page, so you can add again if you want to add more design. Okay, now go to list. We have added a design and development, okay. Nazar, we have added two tags, design and the development. Just save it. Now just go to content, the project type. We have four projects, okay. Project image, we should add, go to structure, we should add a field into that particular custom content type for just selecting particular term or particular taxonomy. How we add a custom content, custom field into a content type? Go to content types. How we add fields, more fields. If you want to add more fields into your content type, by default we get two type of content: article and basic pages. Okay, we have created two more, slide and the projects. Okay, custom content type. Did you remember? We have already discussed. Means there's two type of content type. By default, we get, yeah, we already added this content type, project content type. Already we have a one custom content type we added earlier. Okay. Now we want to add more fields, one more field into that particular content type. Yeah, just click on, yeah. I just want to manage field, or you can say just want to insert one more field. Technology, term reference, just select term reference. I just want to check box, okay. Just type Yeah. From here you can select the vocabulary you have created earlier. We just created this vocabulary or not from the taxonomy. Nazar, project types. Yeah, you can select that particular vocabulary from this drop down. How we get this vocabulary? Because we just select term, the field type terms. That's why we get that particular option. Okay, let me show you again. Just I just select and save the setting, and I just want some more configuration. By default, these are the taxonomy we have added into that particular vocabulary. That vocabulary we have added design and development or not. So by default, which one is selected? No, I don't want to select any one of these. Number of values is how many values you can select. Yeah, I just save to unlimited means sometimes I need to select both of the vocabulary means the project is related to development also and designing also. So that's why I just select unlimited here. Okay, project type vocabulary, just click save setting. Yeah, now our new field project type has been added into our custom content type. Why we get these vocabulary option and all the option? Because we use this, the type of data is term reference. Just remember one thing, you have to select whenever you are going to add a new field into our content type, you have to select term reference. Okay, now just click on save. Time till now. Okay, let's see. We have what we have created. Two taxonomy we have created. The URL for these two taxonomy will automatically create it because we are using autopath. Go to structure, taxonomy. Right now there is no product, no project. You can say no project, no entry for these taxonomy. List term, go to list term. We just added to design and development. Okay, if you go to design, yeah, this tab demo is showing here because it is for all. Let me just hide this block, or should I hide or not? Chalo, okay, configure block. Content page of only the list page and the save block. Content 11. Now there is currently no content classified with this term. Okay, it means there is no record uh, related to this term. Which term? Design term. Because we didn't add anything, we didn't update it, or we didn't add any new project, and we didn't select this design. Now let's go to contents. Whenever we edit or we add content, we can select one of these terms. Let me add it first. We have project 4. I just click on edit. Now you will get a new field here, project type. Okay, you're getting this field. Project type, Khushi, are you there? Now, I am just checking design for this type of project. For this project 4, I just select the project 4 is type of design. Okay, and just click on save. I just updated my project. Now, try to refresh this link. You will get project 4 here. Okay, why we are getting this project 4 here? I don't know what is this. Explain a little maybe almost. Okay, let's concentrate on this. We have got it project 4 Nazar in design. If you change the URL, Nazar and Khushi, are you there? Page not development. Just use wrong spelling maybe. Now we have a project classified as a design project or not. Just before we don't have, we just no, don't have anything in this URL. For this URL, it is not open till now. Let me edit this. Now if we develop, oh, wrong spelling, sorry. Now if you want to see which project have been development area, no, there is no projects. Okay, because there we didn't select any eh, within any project the development check, development taxonomy. Okay, if you check this here also, then this project, the single project will display on the both cases. Means whenever you search for development taxonomy, yeah, it will show, or design taxonomy, yeah, it will also give you the same result. Okay, just of searching for a particular project, you can classify your contents with the help of this taxonomy. Okay, now I'm just editing rest of project, giving the project type, or you can say project taxonomy. Second one, development, just click on save. Project has been saved. I want to update content. Taking some time to load. I'm just classifying all the project, either it is within the development or designing. Okay, Naja, after finishing that particular video tutorial, I will just try to share with you how to create a video that will explain you how to create a module, a custom module. Okay, Nazar. After that particular video series of create a Drupal website, in Drupal. Create a website in Drupal. After completing that particular video, I will just share with you how to create a custom module in Drupal. Okay, because main working of Drupal is how to customize all that code, how to customize modules, even how to customize the theme is the main topic of Drupal for experienced person. Now, if we move to module customization, then it will understandable because in the beginning, at the time of beginning in the Drupal, if we just started the module customization, it is not possible to understand. That's why I just left that topic, module customization. Okay. Yeah, Khushi, are you there? Khushi, just tell me how much time do you take to complete that particular video series? That particular video series. Okay, if you're getting any error, just try to see in console also as Nazar did. Try to see the error in console. Try to find out the solution in the web. Okay, and you can send me mail. Actually, after the after class, I'll just bind up my things and so I will just directly see. I can directly see on the next morning that particular emails. That's why I just get late to reply. Yeah, all of all four has been. I just edited all four project. Yep. Now development area. If I refresh here, then I will get these two project or maybe yeah these two project because I just classified these two project as a development. Okay, and in the design, okay, these three project within the design taxonomy or you can say we are classified these three projects as a designing under designing. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. Now, what is our requirement? Just first thing is that I just want to show all the projects into this projects page. Okay, whatever the projects we have, I just want to just show all the projects into this page. Right now, it is showing. I just use same as figure block. I just want to remove this tab option. Do you remember why we use this tab? How we use this tab? The module name, Nazar and Kushi. Do you remember the module name? For using this kind of tab means for displaying views into as a tab. Um, no, tabs. No, one second. Let me show you front page now. How we create this? step into main page only. Now it is hide it. Okay, we use quick tab. Did you remember quick tab? How we use quick tab module? Quick tab module. That's why that particular tab is this quick tab module. Yeah, we just create two tabs and display of different views into these two tabs. Okay, we configure our view also for displaying. We just try to revise all the things. Okay, I will just send you more tasks. Just first complete that particular task. Okay, now what is our requirement? Our requirement is I just want to display all the project, whatever the project we have, I want to display in this particular page. Just tell me process. We already discussed about this. Nazar, we have four project type contents or not. If you just go to find contents, you will get four projects. Okay. Yeah, we have four projects. Okay, one, two, three, and four. I just want to display these projects within this page, this tab here. Whenever we click on this project, we should display all the project here. How we do that? Using view block. Nazar Khushi, did you remember? We already discussed about this also. Okay. Sorry. Okay. My requirement is I just want to show all the project detail. Project 1, 2, 3, and 4. All the projects detail here in this page. I just want to show all the projects. Whatever with the number of projects we have, I want to show here in this page. Here. Now it will just add it this particular page. This is the basic page. Okay, I just want to show all the projects. Our projects is a uh, project type content or not. I just want to show all the project type content into this page. Yeah, project page. Sorry Nazar, I didn't get you. Might take some time. If I click, yeah, no, all my projects, all these type of content, which type of content, project type of content into these. We have four project type of content or not, and each project have different information, different image also. I just want to show, I just want to display these four project into our that particular page. Which page? This project page. Into this page here. mm, what should I just put? Or directly that. No, I didn't get you. Where should I go right now? Right now, just tell me. Where should I go? Hello, Nazar. Can you? Yeah, structure. Yes. Structure. There. Views. Okay. Okay. add a new view. Yeah, yeah, new view. View name, just give any name. Okay, I'm just giving you all projects. Okay, actually, one second. Project content, actually the same name, all project name I already use, that's why I just want to use any other name. Content, okay. Uncheck this. Create block, okay. Display format, okay. Let's take a tabular format, so we just going to display, yeah, tabular format. There is some difference in grade and table. Grade is more customizable display compared to table. Okay, we can show in grade also. Yeah, we will just learn about the grade, then we will just discuss about this. Okay, page per item. Should I remove this or okay? I'll just maximize. Sorry, Khushi. Okay, continue and edit. Now this is the configuration window. You can see. Yeah. Uh, where should I go? Okay. Uh, First body, content body. Okay. And image. I want project image also. Yeah, that's enough. We already have title into fields. Content image means we have one more image field, and we have used means one second, let me edit this. Scroll down. Scroller. One second. Why it is stuck? Yeah. Now let me edit this. This is the project image. Oh, one second. This is the project image, and in some content type have by default means let's say article by default have one image type or not, image field by default have one image field. That's why there is an option for content image, but we have added explicitly, we have added this content, and we have added a image field into this. So what is the name of this field? Project image. That's why not here only project image, the field of the name of that particular image field is also project underscore image. A name, id, and class, the name, the attribute name of this particular field is project underscore image. Okay, automatically it is created whenever we edit that particular image here. And let me show you image and project image appears in node project. Okay, right now it is displaying only name. Okay, you get the okay. Now Should I click here? Hello Nazar, Kushi. Yeah, I just click now. Just, what should I do? Should I uncheck? Okay, now apply. Yeah, we don't want to any other configuration. There's an image configuration also there. Project image, image style. If we added any style, first the sorry, sorry Nazar, uncheck this creative label. Okay, why we use this option, Nazar? Yeah, it should be. We if we select this content, so our image that whatever be the display in that on display that particular image, it is clickable and it will redirect to the particular content. To the particular content means it will display in detail page. It will display that detail page for that project, for that project. Okay, I just click apply. Now let's see the preview. Yeah, there is the image. uh, you want just image first, image first. Sorry, hello, sorry, one second. Your voice is breaking. One second. Hello. Yeah, yeah, you want image first. Okay, image first, second title, and third is body, a description. Okay, just go to rearrange. How we get this option? Click on this drop down. You cannot hear me. One second. Hello. Maybe internet issue. One second. One second. Hello. Hello, Nazar. Yeah, just please be on it for a while. Nazar. बट नहीं सर, इससे तो लेना देना है नहीं मेरा, यही चल रहा है। वो वो जो अपने फोन में फोन ब्रेकिंग होती ना आवाज। Hello. Yeah, Nazar. Can you hear me now? Okay. As per our requirement, we need to display image first. Okay. Just click on this and drop down and click on rearrange and just simply drag and drop, nothing else. Okay. What I have done, just drag that particular content image into the first position and click on apply. Now image comes into the first place, then project title and the description. Why it is displaying? Actually, it is getting unformatted slideshow. If I use grid, grouping field number of columns, 4 horizontal, vertical. It should display a proper format. This is not also proper format. Setting, grouping fields, number 1, view on classes. Use vertical format. Okay, let me use unformatted. Then it will display more obvious unformat list. Because tabular format is kind of large for this project display. Article also coming. Okay, now okay, let it be the same. Now, Nazar, my requirement is I just want to display only project or not, Nazar. So right now all the projects are coming and the articles also are coming in the same place. I just want projects only, project type only. You can see here the article 4, 3 and 2 also coming. So how we will get rid of these articles? How we remove these articles, or you can say how we filter these are our view, Nazar. Yeah, within the filter criteria. One second. One second. This is actually this link is here. We have to add a filter criteria. Yeah, you are right. We have to add a filter criteria. Why? Because we want to filter our display, filter our result. What is our requirement now? Our requirement is I want to filter my result. So we have to add some filter criteria. Just click on add. Right now my window is not displaying proper. Okay. Now just tell me which filter should I use so I can get only project type content. Content filter is there. One of the content filter. Yeah, Kushi? Content no content no. Type content type. Okay, Kushi? If you click on apply, then it will, there is a configuration for this particular content type is one of projects. Now, if we click on this checkbox, then we will get only projects. Okay, so we just added one filter into our display that only it should have project, and one by default is there. What is that, Khushi? By default there is one filter up is published, means it is published or not. If published yes, then only it will display, means all the content which are published. Whenever we add content, there is a option of publish or no publish, don't publish. There is a option whenever we add any content, article, a basic page, or any custom content type. There is a option while we are creating content. There is a option in the bottom configuration, we should publish, or we want to publish this particular content or not. So maximum time we just check that publish option. So that the same criteria, same filter criteria we have used here. It should be, the content should be published. And second one, this is the by default, we can remove this. Yes, we can remove this also. Okay, and second criteria we have used, it should be projects. Okay, projects type content, because what is our requirement? Our requirement is I want to display all the projects into that particular page. Okay, a project page. Did you get the point, Khushi? Nazar, is there any confusion till now? Okay, now what we have done, yeah, it is according to our requirement or not. Preview, you can see the preview. It is our according to our requirements. Just we have to do one thing, I want to display that particular result into that page. Okay, so I'm going to save this, and Khushi will tell us how we display that particular block into that page. Okay, okay Khushi, just I want to display that particular block here into this page, into projects page. How we can display? We have created, we just created a block. You can, I should go from here. Go to structure. You will, sorry, I just a view, a block type view. Okay, we just created a block type view. We can create two kind of view, two type of view, a block view or page view. We have created a block view. You can get the list of all project content. Content, the spelling is wrong. Okay, that will be all project. This the first one we have created earlier. Okay, Khushi, are you there? Now our requirement is I just want to display this block, this view block into that particular page, in this page, projects page. Just tell me how we do that. Sorry. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay. Our requirement is I just want to just show all the projects here. My initial requirement. Okay. For that requirement, for just getting that particular our requirement, we have created one view, a block type view. Okay, a block view, and we just created a means in that particular view, all the project list is there. All the project list is there, list of all projects in that view. Okay, which view? Here, in this all project content. Now I just want to display this view into only this page, a projects page. How we do that? Did you get requirement? Do you understand the requirement or not? Yeah. I just want to display that view here in this area. This is kind of content area or not of this page. This is the kind of content area. This is the sidebar first. This here is the sidebar second, the menu bar, and in the bottom footer. This is mean content area. So it means we have to display that view this into the content area of this page only. So we get one clue or not. So we have to display that view into the content area of this page. How we display any view into the content area, Khushi? Hello, Khushi. How we display if we want to display into we display slider also. We just created a block type view. We just put the all the configurations, slide the images, and put into the home page or any other page. Earlier that slider comes into all the pages. How we display that particular slider, or how we display the particular views into the pages. Right now our view is created, but it is not displaying anywhere. Why? Because we didn't give the reason, we didn't give the area for this particular view. How we just set the area, Khushi? Nazar? Yeah. Sorry. Khushi, just tell me. No, edit. Yeah, from this edit, we can edit our view. Means we can edit how we display. Means what we have to display. What we have to display the data. The displaying data we can edit from this edit. No, we don't want to edit now because we have created as per our requirement. We have created already created view. So we want to display this view. Nazar, can you tell us? Yeah, that same drop down. How we get that particular drop down? Should I go? Where should I go? No, go to structure. One second. Okay. Nah, no add content. No content type. No menus. No. In the menus, these are different things. If I click on menus, existing menus, development, main menu, management, navigation, user menu, different menus are there. Different setting is this is different setting. Why it is displaying this particular? One second. Okay, this is project and that's why it is displaying right now. Let me go to home. Okay. We already display this slider also. How we display this slider? This is one kind of view or not? You can see here. One second. This is a view. If you go here, mouse over, you can see. Just configure block view, edit this particular view. Yeah, this is a view. We have displayed this view by just setting up some configuration. How we display? Where should I go, Khushi? one second. Just remember, I'm just going to, yeah, structure. No, no, not content. In the blocks. In the blocks. Okay? Because within this, all of every web page is divided into some different blocks. Okay? Blocks, or you can say region, or you can say area. Okay? So, here is the different area: navigation, top bar, highlighted, help, content. This is the main content area where the content will displayed. Okay, and the footer, and these are the disabled blocks are there. So you will get your earlier created a block view into this list. Okay, in maybe in the bottom, this is not testing view, is not our slider view, not all project content, wrong spelling of content. Okay, this is our view. It is we have created the same view or not earlier, Nazar and Khushi? So what we have to do, where first thing is that how we get this window, just you have to remember. Yeah, no, 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 we will select from the drop down content. Okay, yeah, we can drag it up also. Just remember one thing, go to structure and blocks. Within the blocks you will get this window. Okay, for displaying particular block type, uh, particular view, block type view, or any other block. If you want to display that particular block into your pages, into your website, you should configure from here. Now, right now it is assigned to none. Just from this drop down, just select content. Okay, Nazar and Khushi? Yeah, I just selected content. Now in here, that particular view is not available because that view will be appear on the content area. Where is content area? Here. Okay, now we can drag this. I just want to show whatever be the content in the top of the all the content. Oh, sorry, one second. Yeah, we are on content area. Okay, let me just save it. Save. Now that particular, let me refresh this. All project content. Now it is displaying all project content. What image is not coming? Why image is not coming? Image should display. We have used image also. Okay, let me edit this. You can edit directly view from here. Your view, any view. Let me see. Yeah, image is there, but it's not displaying. Project image. Let me one second. Let me rearrange this. I'm just trying to do nothing else. Maybe set view has been not saved. No, no image. Right. Okay, we will just see how why image is not coming. Before that, I just want to show you one thing. Yeah, our all project. Let's assume image are also coming. We will just see why it is not coming. Okay, our project, all projects are displaying in that particular page. Yes, this is our requirement. But just go to home page. And going to home page, all project content. Same view is displaying on home page also. Is that so or not? Same view. All the four project list, so it will display every page because every page have content area. If you go to about us, contact us, any page, even even into the any project also, if you want to display, if you want to show the detail of project, then that particular project area also you will get all the project content, all this view, then the detail of particular project. So how we will just get rid of this particular thing? Yeah, just go to, you can just configure the block, you go to structure blocks and configure the block from there or here also. Just click on the configure block. Yeah, in the content area, scroll down, pages, only the listed pages. Content type, why image is not customizable? Okay, okay, we should enter here our page name. What I select? Only the listed page, means whatever the link of the page is here, it will display on that particular page only. It will display on that particular page only. Okay, Kushi, right now it is displaying on all pages. Right now it is displaying on all pages, but what we have to do, we have to display it on a particular page, on our this content 11, this page. Let's copy this. I'm just copying the URL. This is my site name. Okay, this is my site name, and after this is my page URL, content 11. Don't copy from here, means it is not necessary you have to copy from here. Just go to that particular page, see the URL, which page. Yeah, I want to show on the projects page. Go to projects page, because we can get that particular window from the blocks configuration also, then that URL will be different. So just go to that page, the content 11, copy this, and what should I do? Just paste here and just save blocks. Configuration has been saved. Go back to home. See, is there that particular view is displaying or not? No, because earlier it is coming on the top of the slider also, not in the home page, not in the about us or any other page. About us have only about us content. Only in the projects page we are getting that particular view. We are getting that particular view on the projects page. Okay. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. Now let's see why image is not coming. Khushi, Nazar, any doubt till now? Except that image, because I also in doubt why image is not coming. 1 second. In preview it is coming, but main display, dynamic display, not coming. Edit view, you can edit view from here directly. Don't need to go to structure views and edit that particular listed view. You can add it, configure the block also. You don't have to go to directly structure and blocks and configure blocks. Okay, but don't just forget about the how we configure, how we display, and all the things. Okay, now this is the block. No, this is not a view. Yeah, this is not. You just one second. This is for designer. Yeah. Now image is coming. No. This is the different thing. One second. It is different. Here on the different. Now let me change the display format. Maybe because of that. Edit view. Go to edit view. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Um, Let me unformatted list. It should be display like this. Save. Now image is coming. Maybe there is some configuration issue in the tabular format. Let me just do the tabular format again. Now image is coming. Okay, I just changed the format, then image is coming, but I just want to show in the tabular format only. So what should I do? Which module? Okay. No, we already displayed that particular format, tabular format. Okay, content body, title, content project image. Yeah, it is correct. By default, it is correct. Title, project image, content body, line, center, down. Short description of table summary. Why this is check default short title, hide empty content, no align center center. Let me save it. We save this also. Now image is coming. Because of maybe vertical, no, image in the second position after title. It is because of that particular table format only, nothing else. There should be a group field. Let me use this image. No, sorry. This kind of group, then it is displaying in the as a title. You cannot use like this. And maybe because of let me remove this body section. Where let no, okay, I just want to okay, okay, yes, sorry, I didn't see that. I just removed the that particular text maybe because of width, over width. Maybe it will not displaying, or we can use thumbnail also. We will just use as a thumbnail, not a original image. Now it is coming in the same because of the issue of let me use thumbnail. Let me use thumbnail. We have used image. Yeah, I just remove body. I just remove body. That's no, I just trying to see means it is because of the width. It is not coming because width is so large of this view. Width. Now we can do one thing. We can this. Now we can do one thing. First, go to image style thumbnail. Okay, we will display this image, a small image. Okay, and just click apply, and then we will yeah, we can now add our body section also. Body, maybe this is prep, word prep. We can do word prep. No, right now we don't have. Trimmed, yeah. If I click on trimmed, it so it will display 600, trimmed limit 600. No, it's only 100. And we want to rearrange. I want image in first position. So contain title, and just save the configuration. Now it is coming. Okay, because of the issue of margin means the image we have used original image, then we have used all the detail, all the body, so it is not feeling, it is not coming into that particular area of this content. That's why image is hiding. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, now you understand how we use this particular view block. Just try to implement this also. Okay, now what we have done, we just display, this is in the video. Which video that the bootstrap website. Yeah, okay, actually I didn't see that all the videos. Yeah. Okay, so now next requirement, or next requirement is I just want to add a filter here. Means there is a, there should be any drop down or any link text. Means a project or design. So sorry, development or and design. If I select development, then only development type of project will be displayed here. If I select design, then only design type displayed here. Their design type project should be displayed here. Hello, I just want to add a filter here. You can say end user filter. End user filter means if any new user, any user comes into our website and there's a list of a, a long list of projects. Okay, he just want to show, he just want to display only design type project. Okay, he just want to display only design type project. So I just want to give a facility here. I just want to give a drop down here. So with the help of that drop down, if you just select a design and click on button, then there should be a display. This display has been changed and sorted according to that drop down. Means only design project should be listed here, or development project should be listed here, or there is also a link for all also. Okay, for every project. This is my next requirement. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, did you understand what is my next requirement? Yeah, means kind of filter. I need here kind of filter. Means there should be a drop down. From in that drop down there should be a three options. First option is for all. Second is for design. Third is for development. If any user comes into a website and select design and click on the submit button, then these projects should be filtered and only design type project should be displayed here. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. So for that we need a module. Which module? A exposed filter, or you can say a better exposed filter. There is a module better exposed filter. Actually, I have already installed that module. Let me go to modules. Yeah, there is the module list. Khushi, are you there? Did you get the requirement or not? Yeah. Is there any confusion till now? Just tell me. Is there any confusion? Okay, I can repeat all the things if you have any doubt, any confusion. How we create the view, how we display that view into the particular page only, into the particular page only. Okay, just revise the things also. Try to implement also. Okay. Now, my requirement is I want to just give a shorting facility to end users. Okay, just on this, what is the requirement of this filter? Views and chaos tools. Okay, the full form of C tools is chaos tools. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, if you can't find the that particular module C tools, you can search from chaos tools also. Both are enabled, so it is we can directly say configuration. Just try to make habit every time. If you are going to enable any module, just check the dependencies also, the description. Within the description you can check the dependencies. Just click here, requires views and chaos tools. Okay, it should be enabled, required. Okay, but in some it means just chaos tools, C tools. Okay, one second, all, go to all, chaos tools. If you go here in the chaos tools, don't see this is required by is different and required is different. Required by means This is the list of the module which use this particular sub module. This is kind of sub module. Okay, we need this chaos tool C tools module for enabling these module. Okay, some is enabled already, some is not enabled, means this slicer is not enabled, and some other module view UI is enabled, and this depth access is not enabled. So just get difference in required by and requires. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. Okay, now I just enable that particular module. Now go back to our list. Let me refresh this. Because of that. Nazar Khushi, do you have time? Should I continue? Or you are not feeling well? So we can see this topic. Okay. Now, just simple go to edit this particular view. I just edit it. Scroll down. I just want add a filter. One second. Add a filter. I'm adding a new filter. Okay. We have one field or not into the project type, project content type. In the one second, let me show you first. Find contents. Where we just selected a design type or development type, which type of project this or which type belong to or every project. Let me show you. We have added one new field for that for taxonomy. You remember we have added taxonomy. Which one? This project type. Okay. Now we will use this field for displaying. Yeah, my requirement is kind of same. A design type or development type project. I want to see the list of design type project or development type project. So we can use this field or not, Nazar and Khushi? Yes. Just go to type. One second, Nazar and Khushi. Please be online. हाँ जी पूरा बन गया फॉरवर्ड पासवर्ड बस इसी का बनाना था किसका फॉरवर्ड पासवर्ड कौन बोला है मैं बना रहा था वहाँ का तो वो बोले कि पहले मुझे फॉरवर्ड पासवर्ड का बना के दे मुझे एक घंटे में फोन देखा सही है टाइपिंग सही है या नहीं Jack's spot for checking email is valid or not from database. हाँ देखो ना when is entering email and Jack's spot for checking email save the email database or not from database है ना सिर्फ from लिख देता हूँ from database से check करेगा ना if user email is exist an ensure link is created from user's save token secure link is sent to enter email अपन इसको डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं सिक्योर लिंक कैसे बोलते हैं जो पहले जिसका टोकन अपन ने स्टोर किया विद द हेल्प ऑफ टोकन है ना विद द हेल्प ऑफ टोकन लिख दो सिक्योर लिंक लिख दो टोकन स्टोर टोकन टोकन जो स्टोर when user click on link, check user with his saved token. If token is matched, then again form is open. Form asking for email, password and confirm password. Again, clicking
emailing token of user information and password is this.
there username participating.
Now,
और वो एक चीज रह गई इसमें, लाइब्रेरी, email library. For sending email, we have to implement email library for that. वो उसको कॉल लगा लेना, उससे पूछ लेना, email library इसलिए अलग से करनी पड़ेगी, एक तो उसको कॉल लगा के पूछ लेना। हाँ? अरे नहीं, वो आके मत्थे बैठ गए,
एक email क्या हुआ?
दोनों आए थे, दो लोग आए थे वहां से प्रोजेक्ट पे, दोनों आके मत्थे बैठे थे मेरे। मैं उनको वैसे समझाया, हाँ ठीक है, हाँ रिजल्ट निकला ही अपना, अच्छे सही कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो क्या उनसे क्लाइंट पूछता है रात में 3 बजे कॉल होता है उनका, क्लाइंट अब जस्टिफिकेशन मांगता है, 12 घंटे का काम किया, वो उतना टेक्निकल नहीं है शायद, जो बताता है एक टेक्निकल है, टाइम नहीं रहता उसके पास। वो भी थोड़ा, जो मालिक है उनका कंपनी का, वो बोल रहा है कि ज्यादा बोल रहा है, मालिक से झगड़ा हो गया मिल सकता। तो फिर मालिक ने बोला कि तुम्हारे आगे डेवलपर हो गया, मैं सर बोले कि मैं नहीं भेजूंगा, तुम अपने आदमी भेजो, वो बताएंगे आप डिस्क्रिप्शन जो भी देना है, स्पेसिफिकेशन देंगे सब। तो ये इसकी कहानी लगता है ऐसा ही है। हाँ?
इसमें लाइब्रेरी का लिखना।
हाँ लाइब्रेरी का एक बार उसको फोन कर ले। हाँ वो सब नहीं, उसमें भी यूज की, क्योंकि वो बोल देगा, क्लाइंट ये बोल देगा कि तुमने तो लाइब्रेरी पहले इंस्टॉल कर ली होगी जब तुम लोगों ने ईमेल ईमेल भेज रहे थे, यानी कि जब रजिस्टर कर रहे थे यूजर।
टेम्पलेट का नहीं लिखा, ये टेम्पलेट हाँ लिंक तो लिखी है।
वो एक चीज
12 घंटे का जस्टिफिकेशन देना है कि केवल फॉरवर्ड पास?
8 घंटे का फॉरवर्ड पास। ठीक है। हेलो Nazar, yeah, sorry for interruption. Okay, here is a project type, field project type. Yes, this one. Select this field project type, okay, and just click apply. Then you will get 2 options, and just select drop down and apply. Autocomplete means if we select autocomplete, then there is a text box will appear on our main page, on our end page, and user can enter the type, particular type, mean development type or design type. But how would user know which kind of project we have, which type of project we have? So that's why we are just um, giving a drop down. Okay, Khushi and Nazar, we are giving just a drop down in place of autocomplete text box. Okay, Nazar, Khushi, are you there? Why we are selecting this drop down option? Khushi, Nazar, because yeah, why we selecting drop down? No, yeah, for various for various type of project. Okay, yeah, is development type or designing type. Okay, we can select autocomplete, but in the when we select autocomplete, then there is only a text box. So end user, how end user knows that what should he enter? That's why we are selecting drop down. Okay, just click apply and continue. Now Because of this expose module, we get this option. Just select this option, single filter. Yeah, we need single filter is one of. Yeah, whenever anybody select design or development, we have to select both of these. How we select both of these? Press control and select both of these. Okay, multi select drop down. This is the multi select drop down. I have just selected both the design and the development also. If you select without using control key, then you can select only one. Just try to select both of these, design and development. Don't use expose operator. Multi selection, no, I don't want to give the multi selection option. Remember, don't want to give the remember list to selected item. Just limit this list to selected item. Means only the selected item will appear on that particular drop down. Okay, only selected item will be displayed on that particular drop down. That's why I'm just checking this checkbox. Display error means it if there is any error, means no content found or any bug issue, then we are displaying that particular error also. And reduce duplicates means there maybe there is two or three two projects we have used both design and development, or maybe in one, so it could be duplicate view. So we just remove duplicate entries, reduce duplicates. Okay, and let me see, no, rest of the thing as it is. Just click apply. Where is that? It's not coming. Yeah, it is exposed. Coming format. Keep, keep format text. So the empty text in the table. Maybe because of this option. 1 second. Should be displayed right now. 1 second, maybe logged in. 1 second, Nazar. It should be displayed. Maybe there is some configuration. Our projects. Log name. That one. Contextual filter. Contextual. Okay. Type. Exposed form means the exposed save button. Expo filters block display require use Ajax to be set to work correctly. Let me on the jugs. How we on the jugs from here? Let's switch on the jugs. Just sending. Save it. Let me see. Yeah, now it is coming. Because of that Ajax option, it was not coming. Now, if we select on design, then it will be okay. But not here. Okay, let me save it. Nazar Khushi, are you there? Yeah, yeah. Actually, what I have done, I just first I add this filter, one more filter exposed. Why it is labeled with exposed? Because this filter will be displayed on and to the end user. This filter will be displayed to end user. Okay, that's why it is labeled as exposed. How we add? Did you understand how we add this exposed filter here in the filter criteria, or should I repeat? Fushi? Okay. Now after this, you should on this Ajax option. Okay. On this Ajax option, contextual filter, you can go to contextual filter and select the project type. Okay, because we are using contextual filter with the help of project type field. There is a field in our project type project content type or not. Whenever we add any project or whenever we added any project, there is a field. From that field, there is two check boxes, a development and a design. It's the same field name. This is the same field name. Okay. Okay, Nazar. Okay, is there any confusion till now? Then we just select use Ajax. Okay, just save it. Try to just save it. Now, right now, let me show you. Scroll down, scroll down. All four projects are listing here. If I select, click here, just click. One second. Let me write here 1 week. I don't know why ad is coming because maybe any advance is there in my browser or in my lappy. Okay, I just select design and click apply. We have three projects labeled as design. Okay, that's why we are getting three project 1, 3 and 4. If I click on development, maybe we get two. Yeah, project 2 and 4 as a, and if you click reset, then it will be, it should be, why it is going to home page. One second, reset button is not working. We can we can select any time, and if we want to just display all the projects, or we can increase here, we can increase project and we can increase the filter list also. Okay, how we increase? Okay, let me remove this list. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, just tell me how we increase this filter list. Design and development. If I want to increase this filter list, how I can increase this? Means I just want to put one more option into first. What should I do? I have to put this option into whenever we add or edit our project type. There should be an option. one more option, design and development. There should be one more option other than design and development. Means whenever we are going to edit or add, okay, this is, assume that this is add option also. There should be a one more option. Then only we will get that option while we are just shorting our result. Whenever we are okay. So how we get this option, these two option here? Do you remember? We just started today's session. Nazar and Khushi, how we get these two option here? These two option, design and development option in the project content type. Whenever we try to add any project, we get these two option within the project type field. Design and development means if I just go to content, add content, and I'm just going to add one more project. I just want to add one more project. Okay, then I will get these option on every time. So how we get these options? What is the procedure? How we get these two option, design and development here? How we set the configuration? What we have done? We just started today's session for this taxonomy. Do you remember? Kushi Nazar, how we get these options? Kushi, yeah, Nazar. Hello, Kushi. Yeah, we have to add one more vocabulary into the taxonomy of. One second, go to structure. How we get taxonomy? Go to structure. Just remember things. Go to structure and taxonomy. We have created one add vocabulary type, project type. Okay. Within this vocabulary, there is a list. Go to list terms. We have to design and development. If we add one more, just give the name testing. Okay. And means our project in the testing mode, and just click on save. Yeah, it is added. You can go back to the list and just save. Yeah, our testing is also added, and just click on save. Yeah, our configuration has been saved. Now just try to refresh this thing. Yeah, it is refreshed. Now we are getting testing also, Nazar. Okay, is there any doubt, Nazar? Okay, Kushi. And now, so it will automatically add it to our. Let it be refreshed. Please be online. Not, it is not refreshed. One second. Please be online. हाँ जी.
हाँ, मैं ईमेल करके
Today is
तो जाऊँ तो जाए नहीं तो जाए तो इसको
नेट चला गया क्या?
हाँ, वो बार-बार से कनेक्ट नहीं ये वाली शीट रनिंग डॉक्यूमेंट करके नहीं डेस्कटॉप ये फोटो पासवर्ड क्यों है फाइल एक बार पढ़ना प्रॉपर सेंड कर
मैं अभी छूट जाऊंगा मैं 10 मिनट।
हाँ तो मैं नीचे ही हूँ नीचे हूँ
फोन लगा रहे ना देखते हैं या 1 second. Let me open this link again. Why it is not coming? Maybe I should clear the cache. It should be appear here. Third one, design development. Okay, okay, sorry. Why it should come here? I have to go to edit. If I want the third option also, I should select the third option from the edit and this criteria. Sorry, filter criteria. I just go to filter criteria, project type. We have added this criteria or not earlier whenever we are creating filter. Yes. Let it be open 1 second, taking some time. Let me open again setting lockdown. I want to set it again.
What?
1 second. Let me use drop down. Yes, drop down should be next page. Where is the next page? Yeah, in this page. Yeah, testing is appear here by default automatically. This testing is appear here automatically. I have to select this also, but with the control key. In your system maybe any other key. Okay, I just want to select all the keys in the Windows or in the Ubuntu. Just press control and click all of these, then only it will select all of these. Okay, Khushi. Yeah, I just saved it and save this here also. Now I will get 3 short. The testing also, select testing, click apply. No result will be there because no project has been labeled as a testing. Okay. Okay, Nazar. Is okay, sorry. Yeah. Is there any doubt, Nazar, Khushi? Please ask me. Khushi. So this is how we use our taxonomy, and we can use to develop a filter, end user filter. This is the end user filter. Okay, so every user can see this filter, and rest of this filter, these two, the rest of two filter of this same view is not a exposed filter. Okay, their filters are not exposed. That's why it will just directly filter the our data, then only it will display. Okay, exposed filter means user will use this filter. Okay, end user. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. Okay, so there should be one more configuration. Let it be open. I will show you some more configuration, a simpler one, a basic configuration of better exposed filter module. edit this view. So did you understand from where we can get edit view or from where we can get configure block? Means in there is a position we can get both of the things, but both of the things is different. Views, edit view, from where we can edit the views. From the structure, go to structure and views. There is a list of views. From that list, we can edit a particular view. But from where we can configure block, go to structure, go to blocks, and from the block, from that particular blocks, we can configure our block. Okay. Now we are on advanced, and after this, autocomplete, others machine, exposed form. Let's go setting. I don't want to include reset button. I don't want to include the reset button. Export sort order, auto submit. Yes, I want auto submit. Hide submit button. So it will be submitted automatically. We don't have to click on that particular button. Let me show you now. Um, okay, now we have 4. If we go to development, then it will be 2. In designing, there should be 3. It is automatically just filtering our data, filtering our display data. Okay, and without refreshing our whole page also, because we use Ajax. We just set Ajax to yes. That's why. Okay, did you notice that our whole page is not refreshed because there is no reload button or no reload icon there. Okay, Nazar and Khushi. Okay, so we have used exposed filter. Today we just discussed about started with the taxonomy, how we add the vocabulary, new vocabulary into the terms. Into the vocabulary we added the terms, different terms, and we have added one new field into any one of the content type. I have add one more field into the project type content. Uh, Project type with the while we are adding that content, we have selected terms. Okay, add terms in case of text box or any other option, I use terms. Okay, after adding this, we get a checkbox list whenever anybody enter or whenever admin try to insert that particular content type, then he can select. If he want to select, then he can select the options from that particular vocabulary. With the help of this taxonomy, we just use a filter option with the use of better exposed filter module. Okay, and the configuration, how we configure all the things we have just seen today. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, is there any doubt, any query? Just try to implement this, and if any query, any doubt arise, just mail me or you can ask me into the next session. And Nazar, I will just check that particular error and try to give you the exact solution. Yeah, we have solved this error, but temporarily. This is not a correct way. Okay. Okay, Nazar and Kusi, that's it for the session. Have a nice day. Bye bye.